Introduction to Signals and Systems. What is a signal? A signal is something that carries information. It can also be defined as a physical quantity that varies with time, space, or any other independent variable. To understand this better, let us look at few examples. The first one is the speech signal. It is formed by the excitation of the vocal tracts. Next comes the ECG signal. ECG usually stands for electrocardiogram. It is a graphic tracing of the electrical activity of the heart. Basically, it provides information on the condition and performance of the heart. So from the above example, we can consolidate that a signal is a time-varying voltage or current in terms of electronics. Systems. A system is defined as a physical device that performs operations on the input and produces another signal as output. It is a cause and effect relationship between signals. Let us look at few such examples. If we consider the car, the acceleration pedal acts as the input to the system. When we increase pressure on it, the speed increases, which in turn becomes the output of this system. In the case of a communication system, the transmitting signal is the input and the receiving signal is the output. The system processes the transmitting signal and gives us the receiving signal. By consolidating all these points, we can conclude that a system can be any physical device that produces an output for a given input.